Yes, essential oils are very safe when used with good intention and knowledge, and that's key. Maybe you've read a blog or watched a video and you've been recommended to ingest essential oils or drink lemon essential oil in the morning instead of taking a slice of lemon in hot water. There's no need to do that, and that is dangerous. There is no reason for essential oils to be dangerous or unsafe as long as you know what you're doing. So one tip I will give you is, when using essential oils, ask yourself one question. Is how I'm using this essential oil appropriate? The word appropriate is really important. There is no reason to ingest essential oils whenever a topical application will be equally as effective. Diluting essential oils into a carrier oil or a butter and applying that to your skin topically will be effective. As long as you dilute it into a safe measure, it will not harm your skin. However, drinking essential oils or ingesting them because you've been advised to is not a good idea. Clinical aromatherapy is the use of essential oils internally. It is a highly skilled profession. So taking essential oils is safe as long as you're doing it with knowledge topically in safe dilutions. And if you really want to ingest essential oils or you want to explore that world, then you really need to consult with a clinical aromatherapist for some professional guidance. Yes, essential oils will absolutely expire. They are perishable. So essential oils will expire, some quicker than others. Things like your citrus oils, for example, grapefruit, orange, lime, bergamot, they will expire quicker than your woody oils like sandalwood, petitgrain, palmarosa. Simply because the phytochemical composition of your citrus oils is more volatile. So a lot of them contain a component called limonene. And limonene, for example, is as we give you that orangey, zesty scent of those essential oils. Once it is exposed to oxygen, it evaporates. Okay, we call it oxidization. If your essential oils are not cared for properly, they will oxidize quickly and your essential oils will go off far quicker than you would want. Other essential oils like your florals will not be as prone to oxidization, but you still need to care for them. Store your essential oils in dark bottles, ideally in a dark cupboard, and make sure you have as little neck space in the bottle as possible. So when I say neck space, if you're using an essential oil often, that's fine. If you're using it very occasionally and you have neck space, so space in the bottle where you've only got half of the oil in there and the rest is empty space, that empty space encourages oxidization, which will encourage your oil to go off, which we don't want. We want to encourage our oils not to readily oxidize, therefore they will not expire as quickly. In terms of storage, you also need to store your essential oils out of the reach of children and vulnerable adults. Treat them like medicine. Keep them up high, maybe under lock and key, but certainly out of reach of children or vulnerable adults. You do not want them getting into little hands who might accidentally drink them thinking they're orange. It is not necessary to ingest essential oils. The theory that drinking essential oils is good for our health is a myth. There is no reason to drink these highly concentrated plant essence. They are so therapeutic in tiny doses and topically. If ingesting essential oils is something you want to explore, you need to do it under the guidance of a clinical aromatherapist. Remember, your essential oils come from plants, fruits and herbs that you have access to. So if you feel the need to drink lemon essential oil in the morning as a good morning cleanse, don't. A slice of lemon in hot water will be equally as effective. There is no need to ingest essential oils, and if you really want to, you need to do it under professional guidance.